talk about Hbar. I'm not at home, so I've got a mobile setup. I don't know if you can see it, but I've got my keyboard here. I've got a really nice thing going for me. And I want to record some price predictions because I'm looking at some trades. And the first thing I wanted to do was kind of give you a warning. Hbar is not in a perfect shape. We want to go and zoom out a little bit and go to the daily chart right here. I'll remove some of these indicators so it's a little clearer for you to see, but it's very easy to see. I think that basically 2 days ago when I made the video right here on the 19th of September, I told you there will be a market dump. There will be a market dump. We had a market dump, and right now things are not looking that good for Hbar. They're not looking very good for Hbar, and because the volume on last candle on Sunday was not very strong, but it will really depend on Bitcoin's price. There's some hope because longs are still in control, but keep in mind that longs right here, this is something we talked about in the video a few days ago. Longs were crushed. They were below 80 right here on this candle and started getting crushed the same way they went below 80 right here. Let me show you. Look, longs go up. A lot of longs, and here we have a massive amount of million of longs closed right here. And what happens? We get a nice beautiful wick. And what else do we have? We have VWAP curving down. And what happens then? We have a dump. How big can the dump be? Very deep. We can have a 4% retracement just like that. So we really gotta be very, very smart in the way we approach this. And one very smart thing to do in situations like this is to study the ATR to determine what kind of a move can we get. So just right here, at this time the ATR was 1.1187. So the ATR, if we were to take a short, let's say we shorted this week, we get this 3-hour confirmation inside the candle, and it's somewhere around here. 3 zeros, what was it? 1037. So it was 4%, right? Yep. So this was the exact trade you should do. It was the ATR trade, and that was a very easy trade to do. And if you want to be a little careful, you can do half ATR, which would be a 2% trade. But it's a very good and smart way to approach the market and do high probability setups within the market. And it's a strategy you can use to be very in line with the daily trade. And what you want to see on the daily chart, it's the daily chart right here, is VWAP curving down, and we had it here. We had VWAP curving down. We front run in money flow. Money flow started curving down on this candle right here, in which we just would have taken profit. So right here, right now, what is going to happen? More good setups. Ideal setup for me would be the following. We pump to 80 on shorts, on longs, and when it crosses below, we reverse the trade. That's basically how I'm planning to trade this. I will be very careful in just when just trading this right here, because I think it's a little dangerous. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. We're still up 200, and let's refresh that. We just went out of BV. We are up 274 grand on meme coins. If you want to follow the trades, I'll have a link in the description down below for the course and for the signal chat. I definitely think it's worth it. It's worth checking out at this time. And also in the link in the description down below, I'll have 8 grand worth of bonuses for you from BingX. Love you with all my heart. See you next video. Hit the like button.